Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we jump in, let's quickly refer what we did in first one video. In that video, we built the front-end sign in and sign up form for our skill shop project. We created all the input fields: first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, account type radio buttons, and the terms and conditions checkbox. We styled everything with Tailwind CSS so it looks clean and professional. At that point, clicking the create account button did not actually do anything. There was no connecting to the backend of database, it was purely front-end UI. Today in second one video, we are talking that form and making it fully functional. We will add JavaScript validation for instant user feedback, connect it to the PHP backend, validation again for security, hash passwords, and finally insert the data into our database. By the end of this video, you will see how front-end, backend and database all work together in a real project. Alright, let's start with the database structure. We have three tables: user, account type, user has account type. User table has main user information: first name, last name, email, hash password, and the active account type ID. Account type table contains available roles like seller and buyer. User has account type table links users with their account types. This structure is relational, which make it scalable. If we ever want users to have multiple roles, the database already supports it. Now let's move the backend JavaScript. We have a function called create account. This function triggers when the user clicks the create account button. Inside, the first thing we do is collect all input values using document.getElementById. Here we are storing each input into a variable. This is the first step before any validation or sending data to the server. Next, we do client-side validations. We first check if any field is empty. Then we check password length. Then we make sure password and confirm password match. After that, we check account type selection. And finally, we check terms and conditions. All of this happens instantly in the browser, giving user immediate feedback without any server call. But remember, client-side validation is only for user experience. Security always happens on the backend. Once validation passes, we create a form data object and happen all the values. Then we send it using Ajax. Here, the Ajax request sends data to PHP without refreshing the page. The server then responds and we either show success or error. Now let's switch the backend PHP. In createAccountProcess.php, we first include the database connection. Then we call collect all post data. Even though we validate in JavaScript, we must validate again in PHP because user can bypass front-end checks using browser tools. We check each field, validate email format using filter var, confirm password length, match terms acceptance, and account type selection. Next, password security. We never store plain text passwords, we hash them. This ensures that even if the database is compromised, password remains secure. We then confirm the account type exists using a prepare statement. Prepared statements are critical because they prevent SQL injection attacks. We also check if the email is already registered. If not, we insert the new user. Finally, we assign the account type. If everything success, we echo success back to JavaScript. And that's the full registers flow. Let's recap. Front-end validation gives us instant feedback. Back-end validation ensures security. Passwords are hashed for protection. Prepared statement prevent SQL injection. And our relational database design allow future scalability. In the next video, we will build the login system, handle sessions, and redirect user based on account type. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to DV Codex, and I will see you in the next video.